Understand how to combine consecutive equilibrium reactions. The overall chemical equation representing the formation of the diamine silver I complex is Ag to the power plus 2NH3 is in equilibrium with Ag NH3. 2 to the power plus quad KeQ3 equals. This net equation is the sum of two successive, individual elementary steps. Step 1. Ag to the power plus NH3 is in equilibrium with Ag NH3 to the power plus quad KeQ1 equals 2.0 times 10 to the power 3. Step 2. Ag NH3 to the power plus NH3 is in equilibrium with Ag NH3. 2 to the power plus quad KeQ2 equals 8.0 times 10 to the power 3. Apply the mathematical rule for combining equilibrium constants. When individual chemical equations are added together to produce a net reaction, their corresponding equilibrium constants must be multiplied to find the overall equilibrium constant. KeQ3 equals KeQ1 times KeQ2 Kelvin. EQ3 equals 2.0 times 10 to the power 3 times 8.0 times 10 to the power 3 equals 1.6 times 10 to the power 7. Interpret the magnitude of the calculated KeQ3. An equilibrium constant of 1.6 times 10 to the power 7 is extremely large, KeQ3GG1. This indicates that the forward reaction is highly thermodynamically favored, strongly product favored. At equilibrium, the system will lie heavily to the right, meaning almost all available silver ions should be converted into the final complex, Ag, NH3, 2 to the power plus. Verify if the ligand, NH3, is in excess. To ensure the reaction can actually proceed to completion, we must check if there is enough ammonia to bind the silver. Equal volumes of 0.1 molar OGNO3 and 2.0 molar NH3 are mixed. Mixing equal volumes doubles the total volume of the solution, which has the initial concentration of both species. Ag to the power plus. Initial equals 0.05 molar, NH3. Initial equals 1.0 molar according to the 1:2 stoichiometry of the net reaction. Converting 0.05 molar of Ag to the power plus completely requires only 0.10 molar of NH3. Since we have 1.0 molar of NH3 initially, ammonia is present in massive excess. Conclude which species has the highest concentration, because there is a highly favorable overall equilibrium constant. KeQ3 equals 1.6 times 10 to the power 7, and a large excess of the ligand to drive the reaction forward. Nearly all silver will be converted into the stable complex. Thus, Ag, NH3, 2 to the power plus will have the highest concentration of any silver-containing species, which matches option C. The correct answer is option C, Ag, NH3, 2 plus, because Kec3 is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power 7.